Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to delete an administrator account in Windows 11. Maybe you don't need the account anymore, or you're just cleaning up your PC. Either way, this guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. First things first, you need to back up any data that is in the administrator account you want to delete. So go into the account and back up any documents, videos, or music files. Before we jump into the steps, this is the most important thing to remember. You cannot delete the administrator account you are currently logged into. It's like trying to saw off the tree branch you're sitting on. It doesn't end well. So, to delete an admin account, you must be signed into a different administrator account. If you only have one admin account on the whole PC, you will need to create a new one first. Click on Add Account. You'll likely need to sign in with a Microsoft account, but you can also click I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then add a user without a Microsoft account to create a local account. After creating an account, it will appear here. Click on it and change account type from standard to administrator. And make sure you are logged out of the admin account you want to delete. It is not appearing here, so I'm not logged into the account. So now to delete the admin account. First, open Settings from the search box, or you can also use the shortcut Windows key plus I to open Settings quickly. Inside Settings, go to the Accounts section on the left sidebar and click on it. Now scroll down and find Other Users and click on it. Under Other Users, you'll see a list of accounts on your PC. Find the administrator account you want to remove. Click on it, and then select the Remove button. A warning will pop up telling you that all the account's data, including files, desktop items, and apps, will be deleted, so make sure you've backed up anything important before moving on. When you're ready, click Delete Account and Data, and that's it. The administrator account will now be removed from your Windows 11 computer. Deleting an account is simple, but remember, once it's gone, the files are gone too. So always back up what you need first. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.